football game, and he's like, and then Elon flies down in a flying car to watch, and his mom phases through the earth. and then he's like, Mom, stop phasing in and out. And then, you know, Grimes just making fucking noises. And then, just get on the flying car with Dad.
Aloha guys, what is up? Untied Hawaii here with
we're
the
recording?
homie. Yeah, just been letting it run, man.
Oh, dude, we gotta leave that in.
Yeah, we probably should. Anyway, this is the homie Frugal Aesthetic. I'm not sure if you guys have seen him before. Most of his videos he's done on YouTube, he's doing it without his face on there.
Yeah.
But this is the beautiful man, Christian.
Yeah, dude, you gotta, so I can just like live a normal life, you know.
Oh, sorry. So what we're gonna be doing is I'm gonna have his expertise in editing. He's gonna blur out his face this whole time. He's the king of memes, bro. You guys should watch his content. A lot of hypebeast stuff. He goes over some sneaker content and stuff. Mainly just fashion in general, and just makes you a better person by watching the video because he brings a lot of like comic relief into this very like. There's just like a lot of tight people in the hypebeast community. I feel like, you know, they're very wound up.
People are mad for no reason.
Yeah, and so he just tries to make you smile. Watch his content, guys. Very good. I'm sure you guys are subscribed there already, but if not, it will be linked in the description below. Yes. Anyway, what we have today is a beater box for you guys. This one is $1,175, and it is. Is that a lot of money for you?
Right. Dude, everything's a lot of money. I make PowerPoints, bro.
Oh, that's right.
Expensive.
Yeah, that comes free on your computer.
Yeah, dude. Yeah, man, I went on Pirate Bay and I cracked Microsoft PowerPoint.
You're that guy.
Just cracking. It's like a free thing, but I'm like, I'm just gonna crack it.
Yeah, because I'm not paying for this.
Yeah.
Yeah.
You get the extra fonts, you know, extra colors.
Well, you only use Comic Sans, so what's the point of extra fonts?
For the sake of showing off.
Oh,
just
yeah.
to say that I do.
I'm versatile.
I use papyrus sometimes, you know.
Ooh, look at you.
You know,
yeah, you're sophisticated. Sophisticated.
Yeah, man.
We're gonna be talking about jewelry today, man, because the sponsor of today's episode is Rose Gold and Black. Rose Gold and Black is the premier minimalistic jewelry company that you guys know and love, and I'm actually wearing some of their pieces right now.
Oh, shit.
This is the Rose Gold and Black wing necklace. Pretty dope, guys. You guys can see it over here. Maybe Christian will edit that in for me somewhere. Yeah, it'll be yeah, it'll be moving on. But yeah, man, Rose Gold and Black, pretty cool company. They're out in Australia. They got like some very minimalist like aesthetics, which I think you can appreciate.
Of course.
As a frugal aesthetic person.
Yeah.
Where did that name come from, by the way? We can actually segue this. Yeah?
To be completely honest, I don't really know where the name came from, but my mom is the OG frugalist. Something will be on sale, right?
Mm-hmm.
And like my mom will look at it. It's on sale.
Right.
Hey, Mom, just get it. It's on sale already. And she's like,
I can get it back.
Give it like a week. And we'll come back like a week later and it's like $2 cheaper. And she'll buy it.
And then it's time.
And I'm like, and she'll like brag about it on the way home, and then she's like,
yeah.
Happens to me.
Boom,
like,
$2.
Stop. So that's my livelihood.
That's awesome though, because that actually like segues really good into what Rose Gold and Black does, because frugal is like trying to save money, you know, you're trying to save money where you can, but you want that good aesthetic as well.
Yeah,
so it's like
good.
affordable aesthetics, and that's exactly what Rose Gold and Black brings to the table. So if you guys want to get 20% off your order as well as free shipping, go to the link in the description below. You guys will be able to click on that link and you guys will get that savings and be more frugal like the homie Christian here. Yeah.
So you save your money, look good. What else do you need, you know?
Yeah, exactly. That's true. Maybe a girlfriend too.
Yeah, but like, you know.
Let's just get into the shoes, man.
You know
we don't want to get into those feels right now. You gonna lift that?
Oh yeah.
Look at this. Look at this guy. This
All
is
right.
the box.
Nah, this is.
Is this how we're gonna cut it?
Yeah.
The rest of the video? Okay.
Oh yeah, just
okay.
this.
So I'm gonna just. Yeah, and you know this is about 20 pounds of shoes in here. So. You enjoying yourself?
Yeah, dude, this is how we're filming it. Alrighty.
Okay,
so right off the bat, we do have shoes.
Amazing!
Amazing!
Whoa! We got shoes in here.
There are shoes.
Yeah, so...
Yo, it smells good in here.
You should totally put that down.
Why does it smell like laundry?
See, people think it smells like BO. It actually is not bad.
Dude, it smells like Febreze.
Do you know what these are?
Foams, man.
Foams? What colorway do we got over here?
They're red, obviously, Bryson. Come on, I'm not blind.
Okay, good. Yeah. Okay, yeah. So what Frugal Aesthetic over here says, we got this red foamposite. I'm not sure of the colorway. Definitely a red shoe though, all entirely red upper with these gold lace tips, which actually create like a good dynamic and color here.
They look like a Chinese New Year.
Really?
Like if Nike were to do a Chinese New Year foamposite.
They do actually, I think, have those.
Do they?
I don't know, man. I don't know shoes. You're the guy. You're the shoe guy. Come on.
You're right.
Yeah. Come on. I brought you on here because you know this stuff.
Oh yeah. So the red foamposite. They're the special foam posit that Nike did because they're like foam posits, but they're red.
Thank you.
Right?
Thank you. Yeah,
Dude,
yeah.
Sick.
Yeah, sick. Okay, so this is a size 9. Let's check out what else we got.
Dude, we got another pair of foam. These are the blue ones.
The blue ones,
These are
baby.
the special foam posits. These are the blue ones. They're like the red ones, but instead they're blue. And yeah. So like Nike really did a good job at these. They're blue.
You think there's any more colors other than the red and the blue one?
There might be a green one.
Maybe.
It's like the red and the blue one, but
You know
except it's green.
What's crazy is this one was actually in size 9, so you could wear the red and the blue at the same time. I think this one is called the cobalt blue.
The blue one.
Yeah, the blue one. Like,
yeah.
You're messing up my whole flow with the overhead camera,
like,
bro.
It's like the red one, but it's blue.
Bottoms look pretty darn nice. They're actually pretty icy still, so not too much damage here at all. No box, size 9. Yes.
Smell like Febreze.
Wow, don't put it right next to your nose, dude.
Dude, you gotta let them know. Oh, dude, these are massive. I can drive these.
What size is it? Like size
13.
13.
Dang, man.
I can't imagine
what
wearing
they
size
say
13.
about guys with big feet?
What do they say?
They got big shoes, man.
Oh.
Classic. Got them.
Got
you guys thought. You guys. I did a video on like does PP size correlate to shoe size, and it doesn't.
Oh, okay. Survey says
Survey
it
says
doesn't.
It doesn't matter. So you can have big PP in small shoes, but also small shoes and big PP. And also big shoes with small PP.
It's just really, it just has no correlation.
No correlation.
Yeah, so the graph is showing that it's fine. So guys, it doesn't matter. Let me know your shoe size in the comments below. Because it doesn't determine your PP size.
It does not. These are pretty cool.
Explain it to them while I'm showing the overhead
These look
cam.
very retro. There's a lot of colors going on. All these primary colors, you know. Because we only deal with these primary colors. We don't deal with no secondhand colors, man. Like retro, like 90s. 80s.
They do. They have that old kind of... I think that's because what the old style was, it was a lot of primary colors, right?
Mm-hmm.
You want to move that box, bro?
Oh, yeah. Let's...
Yeah, let's do that. Here we go.
So
He has a
whole
body
first
here.
half of the video.
Alright, so next one out. What do we
now
got?
we have a...
Shoes
oh,
with
dude,
boxes.
Well, there are... Oh, wait, there's more.
Oh, why? I don't
So
want...
there are shoes.
More shoes. Nice.
What the hell, dude? This is
This is
box.
another-
This is Shaquille O'Neal's beater box.
It might be, but I'm pretty sure Shaquille O'Neal doesn't wear a size 13. I think he's like an 18 or something. But if you guys are thinking he has a big PP, apparently size 18 shoes don't matter.
Yeah, apparently has very mid PP.
From who? Where was the TMZ article?
I think his girlfriend made a statement on that.
Okay, let's move on. Anyway, we got an Air Force One over here. It's a maroon. See, I'm not very impressed with this so far.
Yeah, it's very okay.
Yeah, this looks like some kind of like college team's colors. It could be. I'm not sure. Whatever the maroon and white team is, that's their colors now.
Yeah, what is that, like Oklahoma?
I think Oklahoma is maroon. Is this the Oklahoma Air Force? Whatever. Let's just go to the next one.
This one has Michael Jordan on the front. You can tell by the way his legs are spread. And this is a size 9.5. Ooh, these are 11. Here we go.
Oh, these are actually not bad,
we
man.
got the Band-Aid 11s.
Band-Aid.
Those are the American Red Cross specials.
They definitely have that kind of look.
Yeah,
these are brand new, I think, man.
These are pretty sick, actually.
Yeah.
These are pretty cool.
He's memeing it and he's like, wait.
No, yeah, the sole's pretty, little bit of yellowing.
Yeah, I think because this one is an older shoe, so this one isn't a size 9.5, and it is 5 years old now. But I believe these are called the Cherry Lows, and you guys can see this one is definitely in new condition because there is no toe box creasing over here. And like Christian was saying, the bottoms are icy, a little bit discolored, but that's just how it goes for 11. So overall, pretty nice shoe, man. What is your favorite Jordan, if you don't mind me asking then?
It's definitely the ones.
Hey.
Well, the ones I wear all the time. I used to really like the 4s.
Me too.
The 4s were sick.
Are we the same guy?
Oh,
Oh man!
Yeah, no, 4s. I really liked the what is it? The dust 4s or the sand 4s? The all white ones that.
Oh, those are the old, really old ones. Yeah, the sands.
I tear those. I'm just gonna talk on the perspective of like someone that doesn't know the actual names because I really don't.
That's good. That's me too. Every single episode, I just kind of pretend, and then hopefully nobody fact checks me.
Yeah, easy.
Nobody has yet.
This is a shoe by Michael Jordan. You can tell by the way his legs are spread.
Of course.
And this is a pair.
What size is it, man? You gotta let them know.
Oh, okay. This is a size 9.5. So it's like if you're size 10. This is a lie.
What?
It says it's the Jordan Ultrafly.
Whoa!
Oh no, we got the Red Cross
box.
We got the Red Cross ones. Oh, dude, you know what I love when people do? When people are reviewing Jordans and they're like, "Oh, the quality of the leather, the quality, guys, the butter, it's so tumbled."
It's so funny because I'm actually kind of a purist when it comes to the leather.
Dude, I I love when people like review quality of leather and the only thing they can say, the word bank, it's like buttery, tumbled, quality, soft, quality, premium, and quality.
It is really a good colorway though. This is the bread toe Jordan 1s, and really just a nice overall like design. Yeah. It has like a lot more color breakup than the original band Jordan 1s, which I kind of like. It creates more diversity to it, and I think you can just match it with a lot more things as well.
Yeah.
Thoroughly happy with this.
This is the best shoe we've gotten so far.
It is by far, because you are super unlucky.
Yeah, I know.
I don't know if we'll ever have you back here again, but
I know.
Let's just keep going. Maybe you'll have like something nice in there. Maybe just one.
Yeah.
What do we got over here?
All right, so we got another box.
Nice.
This is a Nike shoe. You can tell by the Nike logo.
Ah, not Jordan.
Not Jordan this time.
There's no Jordan in there.
And this time, whoa, we got money this time. Whoa, dude, we won.
We did it? Do I
just have to feel lucky for a second.
Wait, that was
what?
Okay, Christian, I bought this box. If there's money in there, you got to give me the money.
Did someone hear something? Anyways, these are the Air Max infrareds, Air Max 90 infrareds.
That $40 is probably worth more than this shoe.
Are these the infrareds?
Those are the infrareds.
Oh, I got them. These are.
We're just joking, guys.
We're just joking.
You guys can't have that 40 if you buy this shoe either.
This is the size 9
Air Max 90
infrareds. You remember when this was like a rare shoe?
They actually retroed it a lot of times already though. Yeah, which is nice though. Nice overall design as well. This one is definitely worn. You can see all of that sock in there.
Oh, dude, I've been like touching the bottom of these shoes and then like scratching my face.
That's okay, man. It's not like there's a epidemic going on. Yeah, it's just.
Well, we're from Hawaii, dude. We drink Coronas all the time. I don't know what the big deal is.
I don't drink.
You don't? Oh, I forgot. You're a wholesome man. Bryson likes shoes and prays. Bryson unboxes beater boxes and goes to church.
This is a Jordan 1 box,
This is a Jordan 1 box. This is an Air Jordan box. You can tell by the Air Jordan logo on the box. This is a size 10, so this is my size. So hopefully we actually get something, because I'm just going to keep these. Oh, boy!
It's the same. No, it's not. What do we got here? You're not going to show me because you're just going to take it home? Oh, Chicago's? What?
What's going on here? Are these are 1.5s?
No, these are the Chicago's. It's just that this one is the 2013 version.
Ah.
Yeah, so the 2013 version of the Chicago 1 is notorious for being really, I don't want to say the word quality. Give me a different word bank so I don't look like that guy.
Very cheap and stiff.
This is what we're talking about in terms of leather quality, which I know Frugal is going to make fun of us for talking about it, but it does make a difference because this one is bad. Like, look at how stiff this leather is. It makes it look cheap. And just the fact that the Chicago is one of the best shoes like ever for the Jordan 1, it doesn't look that great. What do we have left?
Or we have 2 boxes left.
2 boxes left. Hopefully, well, those are actually not too bad shoes. Those are good.
Okay, so where are we? We're still probably behind, huh?
Dude, we're definitely behind.
We're still definitely behind.
If we had that $40 that you found in there, then maybe you would be kind of close, but yeah, about that.
Alright guys, so this is so this is size 10.5. This is a Nike shoe. You can tell by the Nike logo on the front.
I'm gonna do that every time from now on. Just let them know. Let them know.
Let them know. These are the Nike React.
Oh, these look new.
These are definitely new. Oh no, they've been worn.
They are worn.
But I do like these just for like every day, you know, like walking around and stuff. Like it's a very comfortable sole. You can get a lot of work done and just like not like if I was just going to school or something. That
was like probably the most like realistic take on a shoe you've had so far this video.
Yeah, dude, these look like the DMV carpet.
There we go. And he's back.
They look like when you're waiting to
this
get
is
your
what we
driver's
signed up
license
for.
and you're just looking at the ground. You're just like, why am I here? That's what you're looking at.
That is the carpet, I think, man.
The DMV, man.
Yeah.
I'm telling you.
Wow.
These are the Department of Motor Vehicle React Flyknits. So yeah.
Anyway.
Pretty good shoe. So we're definitely behind a lot. Like, we're gonna have to pull some stops.
Please make sure that you save the best one for last.
Okay, I did. It's a Reebok box. Okay, so this is a Jordan 9.5. This is a Michael Jordan shoe because you can tell by Michael Jordan on the front.
He's big now.
You got some love handle over here. MJ, man.
Please let this be a good shoe.
He only has 4 fingers.
Christian, just open the box, man. I'm scared.
Yeah. So this is a 9.5. I got some bad news for you. You want? Okay, wait. I have good news and bad news.
I want the good news.
The good news is there are in fact 2 shoes in here. Okay. So you want the bad news now?
No, let's just...
Alright, so thanks for watching the video, guys. I hope you enjoyed.
Like, comment, subscribe. Yeah, we made it.
This was the Off-White 5, so yeah, we definitely made some money on this.
No way, that's like $1 million.
Guys, okay.
Okay, shoots.
Alright, so no, but here are the shoes. So these are the,
It's a 6!
These are the first responder 6s. Where are these?
Carmine's.
Carmine 6s.
Yeah, these are actually pretty nice, though.
These aren't worth that much anymore, though.
I think they're still good value, you know, on
Really?
those. Yeah,
Oh.
surprisingly. It's a classic for that model. Wait, yeah, keep looking. Is there another one in there? Maybe one will pop up.
Hold on.
Okay, anyway, check out this Carmine 6. It looks pretty nice. We're going to go over the overhead cam so you guys can see the shoe while we're not putting anything in the box.
There's another shoe in here, guys.
Nice, what?
Oh, man.
You picked the cheapest shoe from the shelf? That's like $100.
Relax, Bryson. This is what movie magic is for. We can edit this out.
Okay, so we're going to edit Red October or something in there. Okay, there.
There we go.
Okay.
And
And scene.
And we got the, this is the, dude, these are so weird in person. What the hell?
Dude, I like that shoe a lot.
No, I like it a lot, but I'm like...
They're chunky. They're
No,
very,
they're very
chunky.
chunky.
They're big boys. Big
these
boys,
are
as we
pretty
say.
sick.
Yeah, I'm wearing those today.
Yeah,
Actually, we'll
nah,
go to
dude.
that meet and greet event.
Perfect.
Also, we're playing this video this Friday, so if you guys didn't come to our meet and greet,
Fake.
yeah, if you guys didn't come to the meet and greet event today on Sunday, you know, like 5 days ago when this video was posted, you guys let us down.
Fake, man.
Yeah, you let us down.
There's a part of me that's like, if no one shows up, that's gonna be more fun. Or it's like, it's gonna be funny. Because I'm just gonna record the store and there's no one.
Hey guys,
Like, look how
welcome
many
to the meet and
people
greet.
showed up.
Yeah, hopefully that didn't happen. But if you guys did come through, thank you. We're just preemptively saying thank you. If you guys didn't come through, thank you because you hurt our feelings. And
Dude,
we only have so many of those, you
we
know.
have so
So
many feelings, man.
yeah, it's okay. Anyway, my feelings are hurt from this box. It was not.
Dude, how much money do you think you lost? I almost said we.
Anyway, thank you guys. Please go to our sponsor, Rose Gold and Black.
Buy a couple necklaces,
Yeah,
dude.
Rose-
Bryson's down a couple. Dude is getting married, guys. Come on.
Yeah, yeah.
Guys, come on.
What?
Yeah, dude, go buy a bunch of rose gold and black because that was we lost some money, man.
It's okay though. It's all fun. It can't be great boxes every single time. Good thing is that we had Frugal Aesthetic come through. Show us what's up. King of meme. You know, guys.
Dude, my lips are chapped. You know what I mean? Like you can't be on the internet with your chapped lips.
This is a professional show, man. This
Dude,
is.
we lost money, Bryson.
I don't care.
Bryson, we lost so much money, man.
My lips are chapped. They're super chapped.
Yeah, if I'm gonna lose money, I'm gonna lose money with moisturized lips.
Okay, respect,
All right.
respect. Thank you guys for watching, though. That was fun.
That was a
Yeah.
lot of fun.
Thanks for watching.
Thank
Go
you
and watch
for-
his video that he posted because that'll be a lot more exciting than this video.
Thank you
Because
for losing money with us, guys.
yeah. And until next time, stay humble, stay blessed, take care. We'll see you on the next episode. Well, I will. He's not coming back ever again.
Dude, we lost money, bro.
Yeah. Shoots though. Shoots. Can you? Yeah.
Got it.
Got him. Just give him.